Just added a little more plywood to the main level. Builds it out a little bit more. Kind of see back in that way. But it makes for a wider loop. So I think that works out pretty good. I'm going to do the same thing to the second level. Just make it a little bit longer. You guys can, there's the top second level up there. Bring that out so it matches the main level. Just want to cut that back a little bit more so I can get another 1.5 inches maybe on the aisleway. And made the hole a bit smaller, so we got more wood back there that I can use. Alright guys, talk to you in a bit.